360S7 Pro Laser Robot Vacuum Cleaner and Mop gives a full 360-degree view of a room so it can create a map of the room, detecting walls, doorways, furniture, and other obstacles. Using its map, the 360S7 Pro Mapping Robot Vacuum avoids most obstacles that random robots can only detect by bump. 360S7 Pro Vacuum Robot remembers up to 10 floor plans. So whether it's cleaning upstairs or downstairs, once the map is built, you can choose the right map for it to use. The auto self-charging technology allows your robot to intelligently recharge for the amount of time needed to continue cleaning and get the job done. 360S7 Pro Automatic Vacuum Cleaner Robot would go back for charge when power is less than 20%. With this 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop, you get 3 modes for your cleaning plan: vacuum only, mop only, or vacuum and mop simultaneously for the specific area you want to clean. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Floating brush. 360S7 Pro Hybrid Robot Vacuum Mop with floating main brush system, which can float up and down based on the floor conditions and cycling to the ground, so the dust, debris, and pet hair and cracks can be well sucked out into the dustbin for in-depth cleaning. Number 2. Your cloth. Your choice. The 360S7 Pro Robot Mop is compatible with our reusable microfiber cloths or disposable cleaning cloths. Number 3. Automatic carpet detection. When the 360S7 Pro LiDAR robot vacuum detects it's on a carpet, it'll adjust the suction of the vacuum from quiet or standard mode to power mode and switches back down when on hardwood automatically. Number 4. Real mopping with pressure. 360S7 Pro Vacuum Mop Robot Advanced Mopping Design will make the mop close to the ground and doesn't be the same with traditional sweepers, which just gently touch the ground. Number 5. Anti-drop sensors. 360S7 Pro Robot Vacuum Mop uses drop sensing technology to avoid falling downstairs and off of ledges. Number 6. Tangle Free Main Brush. When the 360S7 Pro eats loose ends or loops though, it will reverse the brushes to free themselves if something is caught in them. Number 7. Multiple Wi-Fi support. 360S7 Pro Smart Robot Vacuum supports up to 3 different Wi-Fi. Never worry about disconnecting anymore. Number 8. Voice control. 360S7 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner works with Alexa and Google Assistant. You can turn it on and off or adjust the suction power by voice control, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Does voice command work on selective room cleaning? Answer. The selective room cleaning could not be controlled by Alexa or Google Home now. It can only work under apps command. We will try to expand that in the future. Question number 2. Where can I get accessories for this vacuum? Answer. We have an S7 Pro accessory kit sold on Amazon now. You could find it through Amazon. Question number 3. Is S7 Pro a new 2020 model? Answer. It's an upgraded version compared with the white S7 model, which has more features and better performance. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.